DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Trump media sitting at 27.10. It was a little bit of a sad day because we unfortunately started breaking beneath this low, but it's not like it's the end of the world at all. Like, this still would be like a great buy for me, only if the double break is met. And I really want to see the double break be met, because if it's not, there is no way that I'm gonna buy. I've not bought randomly, like pretty much without a confirmation for last 3 to 4 years, you know, because I've really been sticking to the plan and confirming. Now, I've documented everything, so if you want to learn the strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions, check the first link in the description, or reviews are 5 stars. And I mean, coming back into here, I'm just gonna pretty much wait, and that's it. I'm looking at this from like a 2 to 4 hour chart, so that's my 2 cents on it.